Welcome back friends. Today in this video I will show you that how we will make 1:50 dilution. In last video already I shown how to make 1:20. 1:50 dilution we need in two cases. First, if the sample is very less quantity, then you have to dilute the sample, and second, if your machine is have the limit to read the one value, then for exceeding values we don't know how much exact value. To know the exact value, we will dilute the sample. For example, if machine will read only up to 1500 but result came more than 1500, that time we will dilute the sample to get the exact value. So in this dilution, the factor we will use, that is 50. So it means the final result will be given by multiply by 50 the value, and whatever result we will get, we will multiply by 50, then only we will get the final result. So 1:50 dilution means 1 part of sample and 49 part of reagent. Sorry, this human error. I write 50 part, but actually 49 part we need for reagent. So 1:50 dilution means 1 part of sample and 49 parts of reagent. Now there are two methods I will share you. When you will understand the concept, then you can use any sample quantity and you can make different dilutions, but always remember the result will be multiplied according to the factor, not according to the sample quantity. So first of all, if we will, in first method I will show you that if we are using 10 microliter, then how much we need sample and reagent. You write 1 into ratio 49, then you multiply 1 multiply by 10 and 49 multiply by 10. So how much it will come? 10 microliter will come sample and 490 microliter will come reagent. So this dilution is actually 1:50 dilution according to 10 microliter sample, and the result whatever we will get, we will multiply that result with the 50. So in the second method, if we have more quantity of sample, then we will use 20 microliter sample. If reagent is also available more, then I will tell you to prefer the second method, that 20 microliter. If 20 microliter means same, you write 1:49. Now you multiply 1 multiply by 20 and 49 multiply by 20. So now how much we will get? 20 microliter we will get sample and 980 microliter we will get the reagent. So now we need, if we are using 20 microliter, then we need 20 microliter sample and 980 microliter reagent. You can use any method according to your sample quantity and reagent quantity, and when whatever result you will get, again multiply by your result with 50, and then you will get the actual answer. So now I hope you understand the concept of 1:50 dilution, that how we will make 150 dilution and why need this dilution and how many methods we can use to make this dilution. So I will meet you with new lecture, any new topic, either dilutions, practical or lab videos, any topic. Until that, take care of yourself. If you want to suggest any topic, please write in comments. I will try to make that lecture also as soon as possible. Thank you so much.